Hello, in this video we will speak about three functions, three commands in Autocad 2021. So it's about rectangle, polygon and ellipse. Also, if you remember about rectangle, we draw it in the first video where we speak about the functionality of mouse. So it doesn't matter, we will speak again how to draw, what function it use, or a shortcut key. So let it start. If you want to draw a rectangle, we have the possibility, like if you remember, like we spoke in the previous video, we have the possibility to choose from here, from the drawing area. We have the possibility to choose the icon, or also if you want to work like a advanced user, you can write from the keyboard rec, and as you can see here we have the rectangle. We write these three letters rec and then press enter. Now we will specify the corner. Depends where do you want to specify the corner. I will select this space, and then you can move in any direction if you want. If you can move 300 degrees of this 300 degrees of this point where you put it before. So I will move here. As you can see, I have the distance about 150, and also a width of 69 here in the right of the object. Okay, so we created a rectangle. If you want to see also dimension, it's simple. Here from annotation we can choose the dimension to see the length. We have 148, the width, the length, the size width we put it before. Or also, if you want to create only to more faster, you can write again enter, specify the corner. Okay, and now I will pull the dimension. You can choose this button from the arrows. You can press the down arrow from your keyboard, down arrow, and here I will put the dimension. I will select the dimension because I want to put the width and the length. Enter. Specify the length of for rectangle. The length I want to be, I don't know, 200 millimeters. Specify the width. The width I want to be less, so I will put, I don't know, 800 millimeters. Enter. So as you can see, we created the rectangle with the size that I want, 200 and 200 millimeters and 80 millimeters for the width. And also, if you want to specify the corner, I will put here. Is good in my case. Okay. Now I will delete it because we will use the next function, the next command. It's about the polygon. The polygon you can select here. If you not see, if you don't remember the shortcut key, you can go here at the rectangle and you can choose the icon of a polygon. Click on the polygon. Here you must to put the, as you can see, we have the Autocad, it's insert automatically for sides, but for example you need a polygon with 10 sides, and I will put here, I'll put 10, and I will press enter or space. Okay, then specify the center. I will put here the center, and depends how you prefer to be in interior of the cycle, or but I will put here to understand in scope of the cycle. Okay, scope of the cycle, and as you can see we have the polygon with 10 sides. The radius depends how radius you need, how radius you want. Let's put it 100, and we have a polygon with a radius 100 millimeters. Okay, I will do it again with shortcut key. I will put polygon from polygon, enter. Yes, I want again 10 is good, 10 sides. Specify the center, it's here, it's okay, and now I want to be circumscribed about cycle. Okay, so now with this one it's circumscribed. It's almost, you can see it's almost the same. The same thing. Okay, I will put again 100. Good. So this is a polygon with 10 sides. Okay, I will delete it. Now I will show you the ellipse function. You can choose from the drawing area, the icon, or also you can use the letter EL. First of all, I will show you to choose from this section. Okay, specify the center of ellipse. I will choose somewhere here. Now the angle will be 0. I will put the dimension 10 millimeters, and now I think 5 is okay. 5 from the middle. So this is an ellipse. Okay, I will delete it. Now we will use the shortcut key. For ellipse it's EL. Enter or space is the same thing. Specify the axis endpoint 10. And as you can see, is the same situation. We have the same situation. 3 millimeter is enough, I think. Good. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.